Welcome back to another episode of Motoring Weekly. This driver narrowly avoided a collision after a driver cuts him up on the highway. This driver caught the moment another driver on the freeway narrowly misses a parked car and crashes into the barrier. This dashcam footage shows why you should never blindly follow a car.
Oh.
This driver records the moment he nearly gets hit by an overtaking car up ahead.
Yeah, you just kind of found the shade.
Got a little Mai Tai.
Yes, exactly.
Why lizards have a tower? It's safe here and we can do our magic.
Incredible. I believe you are both holding concentrations.
This is why you should never pull out unless you are sure. Watch as this driver doesn't check his mirrors when reversing. A lorry carrying a ceiling fan lost it in the middle of the road, resulting in a biker nearly losing control. Luckily, his quick thinking saved him. Watch this amazing lightning strike caught on camera. This driver thought he was invisible when he nearly got hit by a car changing lanes.
Better have money to live in Elk Grove. Okay?
Oh, Jesus.
Let me tell you something. There ain't no ghetto in the world named Elk Grove. You ain't gonna find no hood named Elk Grove. Elk.
Watch this driver nearly get hit when he pulls out in front of another car. Always check both ways. Watch as this driver gets pulled up by police for tailgating.
My name. I don't come out and take pictures, they tell me I changed. I don't smile at VIPs, you get mad like you know what I paid. Guess I don't know what to say. Guess I don't know what to say. I leave it all on the stage. I leave it all on the stage.
Dog. What are you doing?
Think you can ride my rear end a little closer?
Sorry about that.
I get it, you're in a hurry, but I'm driving the speed limit.
I understand. I apologize.
Do I need to call one of my guys over here and write you a $140 ticket?
I don't think that's necessary.
Okay.
Watch this driver get hit with only minor damage.
Whoa! Oh, shit! Oh.
Oh my. Could have been a lot worse. Sorry.
Could have been a lot worse.
I didn't see him coming.
Oh,
did
it's
you?
okay.
What do I do?
Pull over there.
Wow.
This driver tried to exit the freeway through 5 different lanes. Unfortunately, it didn't go as planned. This was the driver's first incident in 20 whole years of driving.
You may not give details that somebody can then, write a paper about and know all about how the hydrogen bomb works or something, but know that they're not working on it or whatever. Gain that information both to the Russians and to the British, whatever whatever he picked up.
Which raises the question, was Fuchs spying for the Brits?
Close with, you might say, oh, I'm working on this or that now. You may not give details that somebody can then, write a paper about and know all about how the hydrogen bomb works or something, but you know that they're working on it or not working on it or whatever. He gave that information both to the Russians and to the British, whatever he picked up.
Which raises the question, was Fuchs spying for the...
Watch this lorry driver's close call with another lorry. This driver thought he was in the right lane and very quickly realized he wasn't. This pedestrian crossed the road without knowing how close he was to being hit. This sheriff nearly crashes into a driver when changing lanes. This man avoided one accident, and unfortunately not the other. This truck lost a shovel off the back of it, striking the dashcam owner's car. Thanks for watching this episode of Motoring Weekly. Be sure to like and subscribe.